बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लिम व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is female old patient with history of CS cervix. Uterus and ovaries has been removed surgically, and now patient complaint of bilateral flank pain more on the left side. This is urinary bladder. We can see that this is urinary bladder, and if we move posteriorly to see the posterior aspect of the gallbladder, we can appreciate that this is the ureter on the right side and this is the ureter on the left side. So both ureter are dilated, and gradually we can see that the posterior portion of urinary bladder is gradually elongated. We can clearly appreciate, and these ureter are also going downward. This one not inserting into the urinary bladder. So we can see that the urinary portion, the posterior portion of the urinary bladder is narrowed and elongated, and the bladder is also thick walled, and clearly the ureter is also going down and down. What is the reason? This is the typical case of the cystocele. The bladder neck has descended or displaced downward, so we cannot see the neck of the urinary bladder on transabdominal scan. This is the typical case of cystocele. This is the large cystocele. How this is large? This ureter on the both sides are dilated. So this is the complication of the cystocele. We can call it the funnelization of the urinary bladder as well as invisible bladder neck. So in this cystocele, we should also go to see the both kidneys. What is the condition of the kidneys? As the both ureter are dilated, definitely there would be hydronephrosis. Look at the ureter and look at the funneling of the urinary bladder. We can see that this is the right kidney which is dilated, which is showing hydronephrosis, and this is the ureter. This one is the ureter. This one is the ureter. So ureter is also dilated. And if we closely observe, a lymph node is also present close to the iliac vessel, this one. And the ureter is crossing anterior to the lymph nodes and vessels. And now we move toward the left side. Here we can appreciate that the left kidney is showing hydronephrosis, and there is a large nodal mass in the left lumbar region. So it means that the CA cervix has been metastasized to the lymph node, and this is the ureter which is passing posterior to the enlarged lymph node. And if we now moves downward, decline, we can appreciate that this is the ureter which is passing anterior to the iliac vessel. This is still dilated. So this nodal mass is causing compression of the ureter, but beyond or distal to the nodal mass, this is also dilated. Ureter is also dilated. So this is due to the cystocele. The masses, nodal masses are also causing compression, but the main point is that distal to the nodal masses, ureter are dilated, which is due to the large cystocele, and this is the. So here we are facing with the two pathologies, large cystocele as well as the nodal masses on the either side of the iliac region. This was the interesting case of the cystocele. So I like to share you people. Kindly observe carefully and comment. I would like to see the comments. Thank you very much.